welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and tender turkey tenderloin that I know you guys are going to love it. Thanksgiving is just around the corner and let's enjoy this amazing turkey tenderloin made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. So let's get started. To prepare this amazing and delicious turkey tenderloin, these are the ingredients. I have butter, salt, ginger powder, cumin powder, garlic cloves, parsley, Mexican oregano, and of course our turkey breast tenderloin. This is everything we need to prepare it and get ready for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. I am going to start by preparing all the spices in one small bowl. Of course, the garlic, I'm just gonna put it aside and I'm going to start adding everything in here. All these spices are really going to give this turkey breast tenderloin an amazing flavor. I have the cumin, the salt, the parsley, the Mexican oregano. All these flavors are really going to give the breast an amazing flavor. Of course, the garlic, well, you know that the garlic is a very delicious flavor that is going to really penetrate in the butter and in the turkey breast. And here I have diced it very small and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into this small bowl. Look at this. And now I am ready to mix all those amazing ingredients just like that, and it really doesn't take too long to just mix it up so that you could add everything right on the top and on the bottom of the turkey breast tenderloin. It's nice and dry. I'm gonna go ahead and add the dry ingredients right on the top. I'm gonna flip it over. I want to make sure that everything is really coated with the dry ingredients. We're gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes so that the turkey breast really absorbs those flavors. Remember, cover it completely, press it down. You want to make sure that you really push down all those spices into the turkey breast. I know that once you make this amazing recipe, you are really going to continue enjoying this recipe at home. Nice and buttery, and with those spices, perfection, made at home. When the butter is nice and melted, you're gonna add your 2 turkey breasts. You want to make sure that they sear from both sides. You could really smell the aroma of all the spices. I'm going to go ahead, cover it. Before I do that, let me add the garlic. You want to add the garlic when it's already, nice and kind of crispy from the outside. But this is the time when you're gonna cover it for about 5 minutes. After you take the top off, you're gonna take them out. You're gonna slice them. They're still going to be pink from the inside. But I'm gonna go ahead and slice it. Look at this. The aroma that all those spices are leaving in my kitchen, just amazing. Everybody's asking, what are you cooking, Mom? Is this already done? But the smell is so delicious that, remember, the butter is going to get all those amazing flavors of the garlic and all the spices. Once you slice it, you're gonna come back to the stove. You're gonna add it in here, and you're just gonna cook it for 2 minutes on each side. And it really doesn't take too long before this is going to be nice and crispy. This is the droppings that it left on the bowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and start flipping them. Look at this. They're getting really nice and golden, but yet you know that the turkey breast tenderloins are so soft and they really absorb the butter, and it really gets those delicious flavors. Remember, just cook it 2 minutes on each side, and then this is going to be done. You could enjoy this with an amazing pasta. You could enjoy it with an amazing baked potato, even with a smooth and creamy mashed potato with cheese at the top. I'm already getting hungry because all these flavors are just amazing. You could smell the flavor. The aroma of all the ingredients are just amazing. Well, here I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a plate. I am going to enjoy this with a creamy and cheesy pasta that you already have on my channel. It's called creamy cheesy pasta. Look at this. All the delicious butter right on the top. And I can't wait to enjoy this. This is just amazing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing turkey breast tenderloin. I added some pasta shells, creamy pasta shell that of course you guys already have on my channel. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Oh my God. The turkey tenderloin is so soft, so moist. The amazing flavor of all those spices really gave this turkey tenderloin an amazing flavor. And with this creamy pasta, well, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I want you to be ready for Thanksgiving and enjoy this amazing recipe for the holidays. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this turkey breast tenderloin at home and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. I will stay enjoying this amazing recipe. Bye-bye.